In this video, I will show you how to add maximum privacy and protection to your chat in your WhatsApp account. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp app. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Then go ahead and click on settings. Click on privacy. Then scroll down right here. Click on privacy checkup. Then go ahead and click on add more privacy to your chats. Then here you go. Now, one of them here is app lock right here. Require a fingerprint or face to open WhatsApp on your device. Go ahead and click on here. The next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you turn on this. Unlock with biometric. When enabled, you will need to use fingerprint, face, or other unique identity to open WhatsApp. You can still answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. Make sure you turn on this. Once you turn on this, you will be required to set up your fingerprint, add your fingerprint, and boom, you are here. It simply means that anyone that even click on the WhatsApp icon on your phone is going to ask them for, once you enable it, your WhatsApp account is going to lock. For anyone to unlock the WhatsApp account, they need to make sure they enter your fingerprint. For that, I'm going to simply enter my fingerprint again, and the WhatsApp will unlock again. That is for app lock here. And this is one of the great privacy security you can give to your entire chat in your WhatsApp. Another privacy security you can add to your WhatsApp chat right here is default message timer. This is another great features. Open up default message timer. When you open up default message timer, start a new chat with disappearing message timer set to, you can choose any of the options right here. You can decide that after 24 hours you are chatting with someone, you want every chat you had with the person to be disappear. You can choose after 7 days. You can choose after 90 days, which simply means that whatever day you choose right here, by the time the person want to have access back to the chat will be automatically disappear. So I'm going to put it in 24 hours, which simply means that whoever I'm chatting with, after setting up the 24 hours time, whatever I chat with the person, the message will be automatically clear after 24 hours and it cannot be accessed again. It's that simple. Let's go back. The very last one right here is end-to-end encrypted backup. Open up the end-to-end encrypted backup. Then here you can attach a password protection to your backup in your Google Drive or in your Google account, which simply means that for anyone that wants to have access to your WhatsApp backup, if they are trying to log in the WhatsApp account to another devices, they won't be able to have access to your WhatsApp backup except they have the password that you use to log the WhatsApp backup to your Google Drive. You can as well turn off as the case may be, or better still, you can change the password at any point in time for you to increase and improve the maximum security of your WhatsApp chat backup. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WhatsApp settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.